Alright, here's a little video of Coop-dog. So right now Cooper's doing the place command. He's holding it well. Yeah, just got him out first thing this morning for you. Sorry again about not, place, getting a video yesterday. Come on buddy, place. Cooper, place. Come on, place. Cooper, place. Good job. So he's not supposed to break the place command. So once we put him there, we gotta have him stay until we say the word okay combined with eye contact, and then let him go. Okay, yay, good job, buddy. Good job. All right, so now kind of see if we can shake him off, give him the come command. Oh, good job, buddy. Yay. So if he just follows me automatically, it makes it hard. I'll just ignore him for a minute. It's good placing right there. Cooper, come. Yay, good job. Good job, buddy. Cooper, come. Yay, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Cooper, down. Good. Good job, Cooper. Okay. Yay, good boy. Sorry, dropped my phone. Good job, Cooper. Cooper, heel. Come here. Good. Good heel. Turn this way with me. Good. Good heel, Cooper. So basically heeling, come on buddy, heel, is we want him to walk next to us. And he should be able to do this on or off leash. Good boy. Cooper, heel. Yay, good job, buddy. Heel. Good. Cooper, down. Cooper, come. Good. Cooper, down. Oh, good job. Down. Good boy. Okay. Good job.
When he gets your cast, you about, are you?
Well, I'm just about done. Cooper, come. Yay, good boy. Good job. Come all the way. Good job, buddy. Good job.